Good evening, everyone. Welcome to this session. In this session, by using Google website, how to imitate the mechanism of the LMS, how to create multiple tabs to show the scheme of the LMS. That exactly I want to demonstrate to all of you. So let us start. So from Government of Andhra Pradesh, from the CCE website, you may observe the LMS features by clicking this particular LMS tab here. Please observe separate window that is opening. So here all the courses, everything they are appearing to us. If I am taking computer science, if I am taking number systems, so please observe here in this website video is available. First of all, the corresponding topic will be explained by a eminent faculty member. That particular video lecture that is available in this website first of all. Next, related to that particular topic, some e-notes, e-text they given here. They added some more references like no more. They given some web links. By using those web links, the student may refer additional points after attending that particular session. Even for self-assessment or discussion, they may add some surprise examination. So combining all these, the total scheme is known as nothing but LMS. Just I clicked the video part from that subpage. Please observe here. Is it okay? Almost 15 minutes video. 15 minutes video they uploaded for every subtopic.
And second one is the 0 into 2 power minus 1, and third one is the 1 into 2 square 1 and 4 number and represent octal value of it.
Is it okay? So I'm moving back. So whenever I'm clicking the e-text, please observe the corresponding PPT that is available in this particular subpage. Even here you may show the preview also, but here there is no preview option is available for this subpage, but in the remaining subpages preview option is also available in this CCE website. So I will show the technique how to include the video, e-text and everything in the Google website also to show the scheme of LMS from your side easily. So we will move to the Google site first. So this Google site, how to prepare this one by using the Google Apps easily. I demonstrated in the previous sessions. Same website once again I am considering. Please observe here. Edit page option I am considering. Insert link I am considering. Again in the insert I am considering the link. I am moving to the YouTube first of all. I am moving to one channel. So session on 23rd July, this I want to include. I am copying the URL. Please observe, I am copying the URL. I am using the web address. I am pasting the URL in this place. Here, session on 23rd July. I am typing like this. I am clicking OK. Then please observe here, I am increasing the font size for your convenience. Is it okay? Next, in that same page, add files option is there. I am clicking here and I am uploading some random PDF. I am saving my work here. So now please observe. In this way you will observe the website. Same in this way your student will also observe your website whenever you are sharing the website address to your student. Then they will click this particular link, session on the 23rd July. Then automatically in the YouTube, the corresponding video that will be open to them. Please observe, session on 23rd July, that is opening to them. Please click reprocess. Then please, whenever they are clicking 9th July content, automatically they may download the corresponding PPT or any e-material, whatever you are providing to them. Similarly, here in this edit page option, exactly below the video link, you may insert web address of the Google form. You want to conduct quiz examination, the corresponding Google form URL you may paste in this place, link to this URL. Text to display is assessment for the particular topic name you may add. So whenever the student is, after clicking the OK button, assessment for the topic some X that will be appearing here. Whenever they are clicking the particular line, the corresponding Google form that will be opening from this web page. So in this way you may add video link, material, surprise quiz link, everything in the Google site. So this is one option. In this way also you may do. Second option is there that I want to show now. Second option is also there that I want to show now. I am saving here. Okay, I am moving to the another sub page. Chapter 1. Please observe here I am editing. So please observe now, from insert I am directly using the YouTube option. Please observe. In the earlier case, I used the link option to insert the video URL. Now directly I am using the YouTube option. Here I am copying the URL from this place. Is off. I am pasting in this place. Here I may change the size of the video also. Here I may add the title. that was saved here. So after saving the page changes, please observe. So directly in your website, that particular YouTube video that was embedded. So whenever the student is clicking this particular icon, automatically the same video that will be playing in this place only. Is it okay to everyone? In the first option, the home page, method 1 I explained. By using that method 1, you may simply include the particular YouTube video link. Whenever the student is clicking that link, separate window will be opened and video will be played. The another method, directly the particular video you may include in your website directly. Insert. Please observe from the Google Drive, from your Google Drive, you may include video, document, folder, Google form, anything. I am clicking the form. I am clicking the form. This untitled form I want to include. I may give the name like assessment on. The particular topic name I may include here. I am saving. So please observe directly the particular Google form that is including in this place. Generally after the video you are supposed to paste it. Is it okay? But in the earlier method, below the line you may include the URL of the Google form. In the method 2, directly you may embed that form also in this website. In this website directly you may add. Once again I am showing. I am going to the Google Drive. I am using the form. I am selecting this particular form. I am saving. So spreadsheet that is coming. Again below that spreadsheet, I may insert from my Google Drive any document. Any document I may insert. Some PDF file is there at random. Here I may reduce the height also. I am clicking the save to add my changes. So please observe in this web page you are including your video from YouTube. Below that video you are adding your quiz examination. You are also adding some document, the same PDF document, whatever may be the material you want to share to the student, that material in the PDF form you are supposed to save in your Google Drive first of all. From your Google Drive you may give the link in this particular web page. Then please observe. They may see the preview and they may read the material, everything from here. Is it okay? Even you can use add files option to upload the material. So whenever if you want to imitate the LMS features, edition of video lecture, providing material, you want to conduct one examination for assessment. See, easily by using Google tools, means by using Google website, you may imitate all the quadrants of the LMS easily in this way. Then you may ask one doubt. You are sharing the video link from YouTube, whether any chance is there to add videos directly. Yes, that chance is also there. Please observe, from your drive, video option is available. In the previous sessions, I told about Screencastify. All the videos, whenever you are using the Screencastify for recording your lecture, those will be preserved in the Google Drive. You may simply pick up any video file from Google Drive and you may include in your page also. So please observe one particular video file that is available in my Google Drive. Whenever I am adding that file, whenever I am clicking this one, that is playing. Please observe.
अरे बबलू, लॉकडाउन खुलते ही टहलने निकल पड़े। महामारी अभी फैली हुई है।
कम से कम 2 गज की दूरी बनाए रखूं।
Please
खुद को,
observe.
दूसरों को और अपने परिवार वालों को
This
भी
is the video directly uploaded from my Google Drive. This is the video link given from YouTube. So anyway, you want to share your video lecture to your student, you may upload in the YouTube and you may share the link in this place, or directly you may preserve the complete video in your Google Drive and directly you may embed here in this place. So adding of a video is not a problem in this Google website. So in this way, simply you may imitate the complete environment of the LMS. The complete LMS mechanism also we may show, and we will extend the complete benefit to the student community by using these ICT tools. So in this way, you may share the video lecture, you may share the material, you may share the Google quiz by using simple platform Google website. So this is the end for this session. Thank you one and all. Thank you.